Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is the beautiful iPhone 13 Pro in an alpine green color. Besides being an amazing and super sleek and beautiful design, this phone is by far one of the best iPhones out there. Here I'm taking video with my newer phone that I have on my right hand, and the iPhone 13 was taking also the video, and you don't see any difference, hardly. You can even see my freckles. So it takes video with a great detail. Another thing that I really enjoy is whenever I'm watching TVs or movies, I can actually zoom in the video and enjoy these beautiful landscapes that I can even see myself in them. I was recording this video in broad daylight, and as you can see, the colors are still there. It doesn't lose the quality of the images just because it's daylight. And that's my point of view.